Hello guys, welcome to another video here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create some kind of like artistic texts or art here on your Linux terminal. Basically, I've seen this a couple of times when I open up or see a video and see someone's terminal and I see this arts like design of what someone has on his Linux terminal. And yeah, I got curious, and then I did some studying, and today I'm going to share like three terminal tools here that you can use to create this artistic, should I say creative artistic commands. Okay, now the first one we're going to be looking at here is what we call Figlet. Okay, and to install that we can just type sudo apt install Figlet, hit enter, and let's see. Okay, there we go. Oh, it looks like it's already installed. Let me see. Figlet. Alright, I have that here. Okay, it's already previously installed, so there was no need to install it. And usually you might, I think let's check for help if it's possible. I think okay, -F, we can load a font file, -M smush mode output with basically just Figlet and then the message, and it's gonna do that for us. So let's say for instance I do Figlet, Figlet, what's that? Figlet, I'm sorry, Figlet, and then I want to put I am an ethical hacker. That's probably too long, but hit enter. Voila, you see something like this. Or you can just put ethical hacker, something like that, and just put Figlet ethical hacker, and there you go, ethical hacker. Now if you want to make it stylish, you don't like the font, you can just do Figlet -F for the font, hit tab, and it's going to give you the available ones that you would have here. So you have banner, big, maybe you can just try a couple of, you have SMS scripts, we might try a couple of them. So I'll just do this and then do ethical hacker, hit enter. Similar, but let's change this and let's use something different. -F and tab, I want it to be SMS script. Let's see if that works. Yeah, something like that. Contrarily, you can come over to Figlet's official website. It's Figlet, www.figlet.org, and you can check out some different fonts and download the font. For instance, you come to the font database. There are two, different ones. You have like the 5-line apply that I saw, so you can download it here. And once you download that, let me see, did it download? I'm not sure if it's properly downloaded, but let me go back and see if I copy the link. Copy link. Let me see if it will work here with wget and hit enter. It probably did. So ls, where is it? Okay, it's here. So I'm just gonna try a different thing here. I'm gonna use Figlet. Okay, Figlet, and then -F. If I put that in here, if it will work, I'm not sure. And just put hacker. Well, it did work. It did work. So basically you can just play around with that, download more, and yeah, you can do that, download more different fonts and try out the options you've got. Okay, that and then the next one here that we might want to talk about is Cbonsai. If you load that, we can just quickly download that. Sudo apt install Cbonsai. Yeah, that's how it's spelled. Hit enter and it's downloading. Let's see. Alright, it's done. When it's done, you can just dial, kind of like Cbonsai, hit enter, you just see more like the tree kind of thing, and then you can put a message by the side, you know. So you can just do Cbonsai, I think it's -m, the message you want to do, create there. You can say I am coming for you, but this case you have to like put the message in parentheses and hit enter. It shows here I am coming for you. And then let's see, you can, let me see, Cbonsai, that's H, let me see. Okay, you have live, lifetime, infinity, wait time, screensaver. If you want it to be like a screensaver, mortal, live print, seed, save time, load, verbose. Okay, I'll try the verbose and see. For now, let's just do the -m, and I'm gonna use I'm coming for you, and I'm gonna use -v, and let's see. Well, nothing much apart from that verbose will just give you more information on how they created it. So you can play around with this one more as well. And let me just put that back here. I'm coming for you. Okay, and the last one here is a tool I call it's just like the Figlet, but it's slightly different. It's called Toilet, a very weird name. So it's more like Figlet. It works much like turning into, turning text into 3D style ASCII, and using different font files and templates to play around with it. So we're going to just use sudo apt install toilet. Okay, hit enter, and let's see. All right, there we go. So similar to Figlet, it's more or less toilet and then the message, then you can put the font. So if you hit toilet, it's gonna give you like an empty bar to type what you want to type. You can do pond. Okay, just say pond, hit enter, and there you have it. Me, hit enter, and so on and so forth. And you can actually just do the toilet, and then you can do the toilet, and then you do -f. We used a previous fonts that we downloaded, and this time you just say maybe like ethical hacker, hit enter, and there you go. You can just play around with this. You can download more font. It uses the same kind of font with the Figlet, so you can download fonts from here, and you also utilize it for the toilet. So this is just mainly like, I think there's a font I'm missing. There's a font I love so much, but I don't have time to actually come up with it. So yeah, we have the Figlet. You can play around with that, and we have Cbonsai, and then we have toilet. Very odd name. All right, thank you. I believe we learned something today, just like I did. Thank you for studying with me. Thank you for learning with me. I'll see you guys in another video. Enjoy. Ciao.